Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for smart buying decisions. Today, we're talking about the best double CD jewel case on the market. The Maxtek 10.4mm standard double CD jewel case with black tray. Whether you're organizing your classic music collection, archiving family video discs, or just need a professional storage option, this product deserves your attention. Let's dive right in. The Maxtek 10.4mm case isn't your ordinary disc holder. What sets it apart is its dual disc capacity in a single standard-sized jewel case. You can safely store 2 CDs or DVDs in one case without the bulk of oversized alternatives. It's perfect for space-saving storage, especially if you're managing a growing collection or working on a project that requires efficient disc presentation. Visually, it's clean and professional. The clear outer shell gives it a sleek look and lets you display your cover art or inserts front and center. That transparent design doesn't just make it look good, it adds a layer of customization and organization to your disc library. You'll know exactly what's inside at a glance. Now let's talk about build quality. The included black tray is sturdy and holds each disc securely. It's not flimsy like some of the cheaper alternatives out there. The disc hub grips your CDs or DVDs firmly, reducing the risk of scratches or slips during storage or transport. Whether you're storing backup data, a wedding video, or your favorite albums, Maxtek keeps them protected. This pack comes with 10 jewel cases, which means you're getting real value for your money. It's an ideal purchase for musicians burning demo discs, filmmakers distributing screeners, or collectors who just want uniformity in their shelves. These cases can also be used for gifting. Add your custom disc and a printed insert and you have a personalized, professional-looking gift. Each case measures approximately 10.4mm in spine width, maintaining the industry standard thickness. That means they fit into existing storage racks, shelves, or mailing packages without the need for special packaging. Everything about this design speaks to convenience, from size to structure. One more thing that makes this case a winner: durability. You won't have to worry about brittle plastic or loose trays. Maxtek delivers a high-quality product that's built to last, even with regular handling. Whether it's for personal use or part of a production workflow, this 10-pack handles the job with confidence. To wrap it up, the Maxtek 10.4mm standard double CD jewel case with black tray is functional, sleek, and reliable. It's the best double CD jewel case you can get right now for storing, organizing, or distributing your discs. If you're serious about media storage, this one's a no-brainer. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product breakdowns. Until next time, stay organized and keep your collection protected.